Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So yep, we're a little bit late today. It's a public holiday in South Africa, so got a bit lazy. But anyway, let's get into it at the moment. Yesterday's session was pretty interesting. So the Asian session and the European session, which are basically the first two 8-hour bars here, were green, and then the US session was pretty much a non-event. A bit of a range bar, but opened and closed right. It opened and closed in the same place. So nothing really going on there. We are flirting with this 4200 area, and the longer we sort of hover around here, and we're keeping on making higher lows and higher highs, I anticipate we are probably more than likely going to break through, and this is going to be a flag. So nice big strong move up, consolidation, break, retest, and continue. So that's kind of the view I have at the moment. Results that came through, or earning results came through yesterday, pretty much everything was green. No real red flags, if I could put it that way. Today is a big day. Today we have a couple of big ones, and if you give me a sec, I'll just get there quickly and give you some of the big ones that are coming through today. Right, so we have Microsoft, we have Alphabet C and Alphabet A, so Google's coming out, and Tesla's already out. And then we have Visa as well, and those are the notable ones. But that's a pretty big day today with a number of other smaller companies that are coming through today. So it's quite a busy day of results today. We've also got the FOMC meeting at the moment, and that is why we are sort of going sideways. Okay, anyway, look at the 3 hour. You can see nothing really much going on here. Tails on the upside, tails on the downside, and we're going basically going sideways. Nothing really on offer there. Look at the hour. This is a very interesting session that we see here at the moment. So you can see Asian session, and then we came up. Then European session was a bit of a rally, but then look there, we got a tweezer top, and then we got a tweezer bottom, and we try to push up, and then there's a big attempt at selling off going on to close. That failed, so we didn't quite come off just this level and say that is our level there. So we've got a fairly good rejection of 41.85. So my view at the moment is 4200. We haven't tagged it yet. I suspect we're going to tag that, but we could also just rally through. Now, FOMC, and typically what happens with FOMC is we basically do exactly what we're doing for 3 days, and we've done it for the first day. Today's the second day, and then tomorrow evening South African time, or sort of GMT time, then the Feds come out and tell us what they've been talking about. Anyway, and then the market carries on as normal. So at this stage, that's kind of what you see happening. We're sort of in a holding pattern. For as long as we're going sideways, it is sit on hands. There's no real reason to get stuck in this at the moment, but I am paying very close attention here. I just want to pull in another level here. So the previous high of Friday is what we're battling to get through at the moment. So it's 41.95. But the way things are looking, I think until we start breaking below 41.85, I still suspect we are moving to the upside. But yeah, for me, sit on hands, wait to see what transpires, and more than likely have to wait until tomorrow. But anything's possible with the results coming through today. Just bear one thing in mind: most of the big results are coming through after the market closes, so you probably only feel that effect in the early hours of tomorrow morning. Anyway, nothing much for me here except be careful and sit on your hands and wait for the levels to break. And I think 4200 is definitely going to be target. The question is whether we're going to break through that or bounce off it. So that's my concern. I want to see what happens there. If we bounce off, then I'm looking for an opportunity to buy lower down. If we push on through aggressively, then I'll be looking for the pullbacks to buy into as well. So that's kind of my view at the moment. So until we get through there, I'm sitting on the sidelines waiting for something to happen. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.